Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Ponciano from North Park, and I wanted to welcome you guys to the 2020-2021 school year. I know things are a little different this year, so I wanted to make sure that everybody is prepared for the first day and the first week of school. So, first things first, you got to make sure that you know what the schedule is going to be. So, I'm going to go ahead and go to the North Park website, and the North Park website is npaa.erusd.org. And then once you get here, you're going to go ahead and see this message pop up. So you want to go ahead and click read full story. And once you do that, that's going to be your schedule. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You notice that you're not going to have all your classes every single day. So it's going to be Monday, period 1, 3, and 5, Tuesday, 2, 4, and 6. And then it's going to do the same thing again, Wednesday and Thursday. On Fridays, you're going to see all your classes, but for a shorter amount of time. Okay, so make sure you're prepared. Notice from 8 to 9 on Monday through Friday, it says students prepare for learning. That means you're up. That means that you've eaten breakfast. That means that you're presentable. So make sure that you're dressed appropriately for class, just like you would be when you go to school. Okay. So just because we're not physically at school doesn't mean that, we can just wear our PJs to class. So make sure that you dress appropriately. Second thing is to make sure you know what your classes are going to be. And so there's two ways to do that. You can go to Aries and log in. So hopefully you have that information. If not, you can go to your Google Classroom. So how do you go to your Google Classroom? So make sure you're logged into your school account, your stu.erusd.org account. And this is my ERUSD account. So here on the 3x3 grid, you're going to go to Classroom. Okay. Now, obviously, these are my classes that you're going to see. So these are my classes. I'm a teacher in some classes, and I'm a student in other classes. So that's going to be your schedule. Now, for example, this period 1 right here, that's going to start up Monday at 9 o'clock, okay, from 9 to 10:20. So make sure that your devices are charged, make sure they're good to go, and make sure that you have everything that you need. Okay, so that means be prepared. Maybe have a notebook, obviously, have a notebook, something to write with, depending on what your teacher wants. So what you should be doing right now is some teachers have already posted some information online. So they've posted like what you'll need, what materials you'll need, what things you should have, some expectations. And if they haven't yet, maybe they're probably going to go over that with you the very first day of class and share that with you then. So the most important thing is make sure that you're prepared and ready to go. Your device is charged, and you find a place to like a nice quiet place as best you can. I know it's kind of difficult sometimes, but just try to find the best place in your house where it's quiet and you're able to learn. So when it's time to meet, you're going to click on your class. And when you click on your class, you're going to see this link right here where it says Meet Link. That's your Google Meet link. That's where you're going to get together with your class. So you're going to click on that. Okay. Now, if you click on it and you're not able to join the meet, so let's say I click on it. Okay, I have my camera on and I have my mic muted. Okay, and then you're going to join. Now, if for whatever reason it's not letting you in, that's probably because the teacher hasn't logged into that meet yet. It's not going to let you in unless your teacher's in there. So just be patient. Okay, sometimes teachers are right on time and they wait till exactly the time that class is going to start, or maybe they could be a minute late or something, or a minute early. Okay, so just make sure you click join now, and that's when you're going to see the rest of your class. Okay, so very important. Make sure that you see this Google Meet link, and that's going to be where you're going to join your classmates and your teacher for class. And that's going to happen with all of your classes. All of your classes should have that Meet link. If you don't see it yet, it's probably going to be there, like right that it's going to be there that morning on Monday morning. Okay. So just be ready to learn. It's going to be an interesting first week. There's going to be a lot of challenges, and just make sure that you do your part and you're ready. Okay, so make sure your device is charged. Make sure you have materials with you. Make sure you have a notebook or something to write with, and make sure you're good to go. Okay, so it's going to be a great first week. It's going to, like I said, it's going to be a little challenging, but we're going to meet those challenges, and everything's going to be okay. And once a few days pass, there's going to be a routine, and everything's just going to get easier. Okay. So hopefully you guys are good to go. If you have any questions, you can always go ahead and on the website, you can go ahead and look up your teacher, or right here in Google Classroom, you can go ahead and send them a message. Okay. So if you go on the Google Stream right here, you can go ahead and write a message to your teacher, and ask them, if you have a question, or you can go on the website and look up your teachers and ask them then. So hopefully everybody will be ready, on time, and good to go. Okay. So we will see you bright and early on Monday morning, ready to learn.